Shanghai Cooperation Organization's declaration at the end of two-day summit at Tianjin reaffirmed the bloc's firm commitment to fight terrorism, separatism and extremism. The Tianjin Declaration, signed and adopted by all 10 members including India, Pakistan and Russia, strongly condemned the April 22nd Pahalgam attack. But the joint declaration steered clear of naming Pakistan despite India's long-standing charge that Islamabad provides a safe haven to terror outfits.
हाल ही में हमने पहलगाम में टेररिज्म का बहुत ही घिनौना रूप देखा। इस दुख की घड़ी में जो मित्र देश हमारे साथ खड़े रहे, मैं उनका आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। यह हमला केवल भारत की अंतरात्मा पर ही आघात नहीं था, यह मानवता में विश्वास रखने वाले हर देश, हर व्यक्ति को खुली चुनौती थी। ऐसे में प्रश्न उठना स्वाभाविक है, क्या कुछ देशों द्वारा आतंकवाद का खुलेआम समर्थन हमें स्वीकार्य हो सकता है?
Joint statement declared, and I quote, "The member states strongly condemn the terrorist attack in Pahalgam on 22nd April 2025. They express their deepest sympathy and condolences to the families of the dead and the wounded." They further stated that perpetrators, organizers and sponsors of such attacks must be brought to justice, unquote. And it also mentioned, and I quote, "Member states also strongly condemned the terrorist attacks on Jafar Express on 11th March and in Khuzdar on 21st May 2025, unquote. Calling for an end to cross-border movement of terrorists, the declaration stressed the inadmissibility of attempts to use terrorist, separatist and extremist groups for mercenary purposes.
上海合作组织成员国都是朋友。
SCO member states are all friends and partners. We must respect each other's differences, maintain strategic communication, build collective consensus, strengthen unity and coordination, expand the scope of cooperation, make full use of each country's strengths, and shoulder together the responsibility of promoting peace, stability, development and prosperity in the region.
中国始终将自身发展
On the issue of territorial integrity and sovereignty, the Tianjin Declaration said, and I quote, "Member states advocate respect for the right of peoples to independently and democratically choose their own paths of political and socio-economic development and emphasize that the principles of mutual respect for sovereignty, independence, territorial integrity of states, equality, mutual benefit, non-interference in internal affairs, and non-use of force or threat of force are the basis for the sustainable development of international relations," unquote. This becomes an important point for India as far as the border standoff and the dispute with China is concerned.